Welcome back to today's tutorial. In today, we want to consider this question. Solution. In the question, we were given that our PR is a tangent to the circle at Q, and also our QT is parallel to RX, and angle RXQ is equal to 50 degree, and angle XQR equal to 35 degree. And the question now says we should find the value of angle QST. Angle QST is unknown for now. Now, let us find angle XQT. In the diagram, RX is parallel to QT. That means that our angle RXQ and TQX, they are alternate angle and they are equal to each other. So we can say angle TQX equal to angle RXQ. So angle TQX equal to 50 degree because our angle RSQ is 50 degree. Let us find our angle PQT. Our angle PQT, TQX and XQR, they are angle on a straight line, and angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So we can say angle PQT plus angle TQX plus angle XQR equal to 180 degree because sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. Now let us substitute our angle TQX and angle XQR into this equation. Angle PQT plus angle TQX is 50 degree plus 50 degree plus angle XQR is 35 degree. 35 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle PQT plus, if you add 50 degree and 35 degree together, we are going to have 85 degree. 85 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle PQT equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree. If you transpose 180 degree to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative, and we are going to have this. So angle PQT equal to 95 degree. This angle is equal to 95 degree. Let us find angle QXT. In this diagram, QT is a chord and PR is a tangent. And according to tangent chord theorem, which says angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So the theorem says angle PQT is equal to angle QXT, which is the angle in the alternate segment. So mathematically, we can say that angle QXT equal to angle PQT. Angle QXT equal to our angle PQT is 95 degree. So let us substitute 95 degree into this equation. 95 degree. So the correct answer is option D, which is 95 degree. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.